Hey everyone, are you looking to have your business go viral on a social media platform? Well, you're in the right spot because never has it been easier to design viral social media campaigns than it is today. The reason that is because you can, with the right prompt ChatGPT to leverage all the information that's existed about social media and campaigns to help you craft a really winning viral social media ad that gets people to share it, like it, participate with it, and ultimately drive the traffic to your small business. So let me share my screen. I'm going to describe how this works so that you can apply it to your business and your social media campaign. So I've taken this prompt, which is what makes this all go, and I put in here, create a step-by-step guide for crafting highly shareable and viral social media advertisements on social media platform, right? And that's where you put it in. I'm going to paste this prompt below, so check out the description of this video and you'll be able to copy and paste and create this for yourself. Now, first step here, obviously you don't leave social media platform. This is where you plug in your actual social media platform. So let's just say for a lot of small businesses, Facebook is still really important. Let's say that our aim is to create a viral ad on Facebook. Begin with the process of identifying trending topics or challenges relevant to now target audience. In this case, is your target customer base. So who is it that you're trying to attract for your business? Now I'm going to just pretend, because again, small businesses, local businesses, let's pretend that your target audience is buyers on Etsy. All right, that could be, let's say that you have a gift or a jewelry company. Let's just say you make jewelry for Etsy. Let's say buyers of jewelry products on Etsy. Let's say that's your target market. We'll capitalize that. And explain how to integrate them into the ad campaign. Provide tips on creating attention-grabbing visuals, captions, and calls to action. Discuss the importance of audience engagement and interaction in spreading the content organically. And then I click go. So now let's pretend you own a jewelry company, you make jewelry, you sell it on Etsy, and your target is to try and use Facebook ads to attract more customers for you, right? So now it's going to break down and describe exactly a step-by-step guide for crafting these viral social media ads. It's going to start by telling me how to identify topics, right? And what research tools to use, and even suggesting things that you may not have encountered before. It's going to tell me how to engage with the community and what I can do to do that. It's going to teach me how to integrate into the ad campaign. So what I can blend into the ad campaign. So it says blend trends and brands, seamlessly integrate trending topics with your brand's narrative. Layered necklaces are trending, for example, showcase your best sellers in that category. And then it's going to tell me contextual information. Now, when it comes to attention grabbing visuals, it's going to talk about exactly what types of visuals I should use in the ad that are going to help it be successful. It's going to teach me about the captivating captions. So start with a hook, right? So when it comes to the captions of my ad, capture attention in the first few words. Turn heads with this, right? Storytelling. Put a brief story behind the piece or the inspiration. Emojis. Use them sparingly, but add personality and highlight key points. This is based on a background of what makes for viral ads. Now it's going to guide you through step by step how to construct an ad that's going to get people engaged with your business, right? So I'll copy and paste this too so you can see it. But basically, this is going to guide you instead of just sitting down and saying, okay, let me research this or figure out how am I going to put together an ad that really works for my business. You can use this prompt to get ChatGPT to give you a playbook for how you can approach coming up with a quality social media ad for whatever platform you want that's going to work for, engage with the type of customer that you're after. And it's going to walk you through really the best way to approach that type of ad to give you the best chance to go viral. So if you like this video, hit subscribe. We're sharing all the best tips using AI and social media and search engines to drive sales and grow local businesses.